Hi everyone,
Hello,
this is Robert,
and this is Richard.
and today we're talking about the Yoga Sutras, and in particular 2.29 Sutra, the 8-limb path. Rob, would you like to chant?
Sure, the 8-limb path is Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Jhana, Samadhi, Ashtavangani. So this is chapter 2, 29 Sutra of Patanjali Yoga Sutras.
And so we begin with the yamas, which are the ethical practices, niyama, self-practices, or self-restraints. The asana practice is the posture practice, which you're probably all aware of. Pranayama, the breathing practices. Pratyahara, sense withdrawal. Dharana, concentration. Dhyana, meditation. And samadhi, blissful state or state of joy.
The culmination of the 8-limb path.
Yeah, sometimes you can think, oftentimes in writings, you see that these first 5 are the outer practices, and as you get down here toward the last 3, this is more the inner practices. Actually, it probably begins at Pratyahara, where you start this sense withdrawal in meditation. You start to go inside and set that place where your body ends and where your spirit begins.
Or your mind or your
heart.
heart.
Yeah. So that's kind of how sometimes they're explained.
But in particular today we're going to talk about the yamas, or the social ethics, or the outer observances, how we conduct ourselves in relation to a social milieu, or people that you are around, people that you work with, your loved ones, your unloved ones, all of that. That's all part of the social milieu, and the yamas are part of that. So as you can see, what we here do in the West, and we start off with yoga, is in particular the asana practice. And if you look at it, that's the 3rd limb down on the path. If we were to do this in logical linear order on how you're to follow, but we're not going to follow that necessarily in a straight path. But we do need to observe that not only is yoga concerned with the flexibility of the body, it's concerned with flexibility of the mind, and at base or foundation, the flexibility on how you become a better person through your yoga practice.
One note on the 8-limb path. Sometimes, in Sanskrit, Ashtanga means 8. And so the Ashtanga practice observes this practice as its main focus. Also, this is also considered the royal path, or
The Raja Yoga.
Raja Yoga.
Yeah.
So without further ado,